I got the 4 of clubs and the 7 of hearts. Okay, watch carefully, I take one. Do you know which one's behind my back? It's the 7 of hearts now. Hello everyone, I'm going to show you all the 2 card Monte, and then when I'm finished I'll teach you how to perform it yourself, and then finally I'll show you how to make up cards yourself to do it. Okay, I have 2 cards. There's the Queen of Diamonds and the 5 of Spades. Okay, I take one of the 2 cards and put her behind my back. I just give this one a flick, and now this one's the 5 and the Queen's over here. And you can form it again and again. I take the 5 away, give this a flick. Now I've got the Queen here and the 5 is here. While this is an extremely simple trick, don't underestimate how big of an impression it can have on people and how much it can fool them. Okay, the secret is this card is double backed and this one is double faced. Okay, so when I put them together, I just move them back and forth like this. But it's an optical illusion that makes you think they're 2 normal cards. Then I take one of them, stick it behind my back, turn it over, and then put it back. I'll do that again close up. Okay, I just rotate my wrist back and forth. Then I put the cards together. I take the double face card, put it behind my back, flip it over, and then put it back, and then just repeat. I highly recommend buying this trick from a magic store to get some proper gimmicked cards, but I'm also going to show you how you can make it up yourself so you can start performing it right away. First, get a regular deck of cards and take 4 cards out of it. You're going to have 2 for the face cards and 2 for the back cards. You can either use rubber cement, glue, or in this case I'm using double-sided tape, which I've already applied to it to save time. Okay, so for the 2 face cards, you put glue, tape, whatever sticky thing, on the back of one of them, and then we're going to stick them together. And for the 2 double back cards, it doesn't matter which cards you use because no one's ever going to see them. You put it on the face, and then we're going to stick them together like this. Now if you notice, with the tape, I've put it very, very close to the edge of the card, but make sure you don't put it over the edge, otherwise it will stick out. Same with the glue, try and spread it out to as close to the edge as you can, but obviously don't have it pour out too much. Okay, I'll take all the tape tabs off. Okay, now comes the hard part. We're going to make a double face card, and to do that we have to put it back to back, but it has to be as even as possible. Okay, I'll line up the corners. Okay, and then I'll carefully push it together. Okay, there we go, I think that's pretty good. Okay, and then we'll do the same to make our double back card. Okay, I'll take off all those tabs. Okay, and this time we're going to put the cards face to face. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so if you're doing some performance, I have the 5 of hearts and the Queen of Spades. I take one of the 2 cards, and now the Queen is here, and the 5 is over here. Thank you very much.